Assalamu alaikum students. We will discuss about dehydration of alcohol. What does this mean? Dehydration mean removal and hydration mean water. Mean we are going to remove the water from where? From alcohol. Just take an example, a simple example of ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH. Here different dehydrating agents we can use like aluminium oxide and phosphoric acid H3PO4 and sulfuric acid. Mostly sulfuric acid is used for dehydration purpose, and let's we start it with sulfuric acid. Mean we will write down concentrated sulfuric acid over here, and the temperature mostly that is responsible to carry out this reaction is about 140 to 170 degree centigrade. Okay. At this temperature what would happen that at one of the carbon atom OH group and at another carbon atom H group will get removed from this compound. It will result in the creation of double bond in this compound. Now we will carry out the mechanism of this reaction, that how this reaction is possible. In simple mechanism you can take any other example, but we have taken the simple example, that is ethyl alcohol, right. Firstly ethyl alcohol, okay, and concentrated sulfuric acid will donate one of the proton, because acid have the property to what? To donate proton. Oxygen has lone pair, it will attack over this proton, then what will happen? It will result in the formation of this positive ion, H at this position and H at this position. Here is positive charge, and in the second step this positively charged ion, whenever there is a water formation, then definitely from this compound water will readily evolve. That is because you have this particular hydrogen at this carbon atom. For the formation of alkene, keep in mind the product in front of you. For the formation of alkene, here is CH2 and from here the water will get removed, and after the removal of water at over here you will have CH3 CH2 positive, okay. This is what it is, basically primary carbocation, okay. And next step over here I am going to do at this point. Let me mention over here one step and second step, okay. In the third step what would happen, that CH2 I am going to write this particular step it like this over here, okay, and the negative part of the sulfuric acid is like this. It will attack over this hydrogen and this bond will shift to this carbon atom, okay. This is the very simple mechanism for the creation of alkene, and along with the formation of sulfuric acid again, because here sulfuric acid is acting as catalyst. So from where this hydrogen is came from, that is from sulfuric acid, and it will attach with this oxygen atom, resulting in the formation of this unstable ion, and from this unstable ion water will get removed, resulting in the formation of primary carbocation. And in the next step, in tertiary, in the third step, what would happen? The negative part of this sulfuric acid, it will attack over this hydrogen atom, and it will result the removal of this particular hydrogen in the form of proton, right. So H2SO4 content will complete, and here the creation of double bond, it will result in the formation of alkene. Hope this mechanism is clear to all of you. Thank you.